students, hope you are great. Today we are going to continue section 3, acids and bases. So let's start. pH and the environment. Living things depend on having a steady pH in their environment. So the living things, whatever plant, animal, depend on the pH of the environment. Some plants, such as pine tree, prefer acidic soil that has pH between 4 and 6. So pine tree prefers soil that is acidic, which is between acidity of the soil or pH of the soil between 4 and 6. Other plant can live in a basic soil, like lettuce need a basic soil that has pH between 8 and 9. Plants may also have a different traits under different growing conditions. For example, hydrogen flowers have in natural indicators. The color of the flower varies when they are grown in soil that have a different pH value. So this flower have inside it there is a natural indicators. The color of the flower varies depends on the pH of the soil. Many organisms living in lakes and streams need a neutral pH to survive. Most rain is slightly acidic and has pH between 5.5 and 6. However, acids are formed when rainwater reacts with compounds found in polluted air. So the rainwater pH decreases. In the United States, most acid rain has pH between 4 and 4.5, but some precipitation has pH as low as 3. To grow blue flower plants, hydrogen in soil that has a low pH or has acidic solution. To grow pink flower, if I need pink flower, what happens? Use a soil that has a high pH or basic pH. So these flowers have an indicator, have a natural indicator. Salts. When acid neutralized with base, when acid reacts with base, I said it before, when acid reacts with base, when HCl react with sodium hydroxide, what happened? Form water H2O and salt, which is NaCl, salt. This is a salt. So when acid reacts with or neutralize with base, salt and water are produced. Salt is an ionic compound formed from the positive ion of the base and the negative ion of the acid. When you hear the word salt, you probably think of the table salt, which is sodium chloride you use to season your food. But sodium chloride found in your salt shaker is only one example of the large group of compounds called salts. Uses of salts. What is the use of salts? Salts have many uses in industry and in homes. You already know that sodium chloride is used to season food. It's also used to make other compounds, including lye, which is sodium hydroxide, and baking soda. Sodium nitrate is also salt that is used to preserve food, and calcium sulfate is also used salt is used to make wallboard, which is used in construction. That's it. Thanks for watching.